Are you looking for the top 5 best 60% keyboards? Best for gaming and typing? In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the best 5 best 60% keyboards, best for gaming and typing on the market today. Before we dive in, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check those out to find the one that fits your style and budget. Number 1. Redragon Wireless Mechanical Keyboard. On to meet the needs of work, gaming, and study. Hot swappable and pre-lube cream switches. Hot swappable mechanical keyboard comes with pre-lube cream switch. These linear switches have a unique look. Creamy sound and excellent smooth keystroke feel. Creamy and thocky, sounding gives you unlimited fun while typing. High quality PCB board compatible with 3-pin/5-pin switches. You can have a high degree of customization. Multi-function knob volume adjustment function by default. Through the FN Plus knob, enter the keyboard backlight adjustment mode. Scroll the knob to adjust the brightness of the backlight. Short press the knob to enter the keyboard lighting mode switching mode. Number 2. RK Royal Kludge S98 Mechanical Keyboard. Big features on a small screen. Is there anything it can't display? Custom GIF image date. Connection mode, Win/Mac layout, battery status, etc. Knob design, adjust volume, connection mode, backlit brightness/speed, RGB mode/color. All it takes is just a twist or a click. BT 5.0/2.4G/USB-C. Wireless keyboard with stable BT 5.0. Hassle-free 2.4 GHz dongle plus USB-C. Wired mode set no limits about your keyboard connection. Gaming-friendly top-mount design. Offers superior tactile consistency, firm feeling, and better noise-reducing creamy keyboard. Sound-absorbing foams. Equipped with IXB switch dampener pad. 2 layers of thicker sound-absorbing foams. Silicone dampener pad, which reduces 40% noise and removes 80% hollow sound. Bringing creamy or thocky sounding, natural and clear feedback. No more cavities noise. Hot swappable mechanical keyboard. Hot swap PCB allows you to replace 3-pin/5-pin switches freely without soldering issue. Enjoy the fun of making your own unique keyboard. Double-shot PBT keycaps. Provide superior fingertip feel, never fading letters, and exceptional durability. Number 3. RK Royal Kludge R65 wired gaming keyboard with volume knob. 60% gasket mount mechanical keyboard. Compact gaming keyboard adopts a gasket structure with 5 layers of sound-absorbing material. There is pour-on cotton for buffering between the keyboard PCB board and the casing, which can effectively reduce the noise and vibrate of the keys, optimize the sound of the switches, and provide better typing experience. Metal volume knob and indicator lights. The PC gaming keyboard is equipped with a high-quality aluminum CNC metal knob. You can quickly adjust the volume of the device by rotating the knob and press the knob to turn on off the sound. There are 3 indicator lights next to the arrow keys, which can make the status of the keyboard clear at a glance. You can see few 60% keyboard comes with such good features. MDA profile PBD keycaps and highly compatible. PBD keycaps are made of double-shot technology with matte surface, non-fading, durability, and longer service life. MDA profile keycaps bring better tactile experience and better appearance. PC gaming keyboards compatible with Windows and Mac OS, which works perfectly on all kinds of devices. Number 4. Womier 60% keyboard wireless with QMK/VIA gaming keyboard Topographic. 60% wireless gaming keyboard with arrow keys. Q61 wireless mechanical keyboard uses a fun design balanced in black and white, which perfectly integrates the Topographic theme into the gaming keyboard. The patterns on the front and back echo each other, making each keystroke a pleasure, and the compact 60% layout keyboard is perfect for intense gaming and comfortable typing. QMK/VIA keyboard programmable. QMK/VIA is open source software for keyboards that allows anyone to program and remap each key easily and quickly. You can personalize your own keyboard layouts, shortcuts, backlight effects, and more. Macro commands to remap any key you want on any system, Mac OS, Windows, or Linux. Note, user can remap a key on wired mode only. Once it's done, the key map will work on both wireless and wired modes. Number 5. RedThunder K84 wireless keyboard and mouse combo. High-performance 2.4G wireless keyboard and mouse. Are you looking for a small wireless keyboard and mouse combo that can perfectly balance work and games? RedThunder K84 rechargeable wireless gaming keyboard and mouse combo will be your best choice. 2.4G high-speed and stable transmission ensure that it can easily deal with even the most intense battles. Note, the keyboard and mouse share only one USB receiver at the bottom of the keyboard/mouse. Durable ergonomic keyboard and mouse. The keys have a 10 million keystrokes lifetime, so you can hold on to it for the next decade. ABS keycaps adopt two-color injection molding process. The letter of characters never fade. The mouse fits the palm perfectly, and the anti-sweat and non-slip design gives you complete control. Plug and play. The keyboard and mouse share only one USB receiver, and the code has been completed by default. You only need to insert the receiver and turn on the keyboard and mouse to use it. Note, if the receiver and the keyboard/mouse lose connection and cannot be used for any reason, you only need to reset the code pairing or contact us in time. We will try our best to solve it ASAP.